Anto brought the Fiesta for the NCT. He said she'll fly it, lads. She did not fly it! Ha ha ha! Rolled up in a Fiesta, held together with tape. 2 ball tires and a questionable shape. Tester took a look, said this won't be long. Put the sticker on the window, said you're dangerously wrong. Fail on the left, fail on the right, fail on the tires and the little brake light. Tow truck only, that's what they say. But the Fiesta somehow still drove away. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. The NCT has made a holy show of us. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. Sticker on the window and shame upon the bus. NCT, NCT, what have you done to me? I came in hoping and I left dangerously. One man says minor, one says major. One man's grand is another man's danger. Headlight too high, handbrake too low. Bring it back Tuesday, here we go. Tap on the chassis, shake every wheel. Make a grown man forget how to feel. Print me a list, take all my pay. And somehow the Fiesta still drove away. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. The NCT has made a holy show of us. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. Sticker on the window and shame upon the bus. NCT, NCT, what have you done to me? I came in hoping and I left living dangerously. Pre-NCT test, no thanks my friend. They'll find 10 things the test won't mention. Put it through first, let the paper speak. Then fix what failed and cry for a week. And the potholes, lads, the potholes. You dodge one crater, you hit another. Now the suspension's praying to its mother. Tires bald, wallet thin, engine light, glowing within, wiper split, bushes loose, tow truck, no excuse. NCT, NCT, I'm not angry, I'm just financially empty. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. The NCT has made a holy show of us. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. Sticker on the window and shame upon the bus. NCT, NCT, what have you done to me? I came in hoping and I left dangerously. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. 4 new tires and a retest waiting for us. Fail dangerous, fail dangerous. The Fiesta lives on, but only just. Unto says she'll pass next time. We admire his optimism. Gas lads, pass pending.